To over Little Falls. Shannon Sohn live in Newscopter 7, and boy, where is that car under all that water, Shannon?
Yeah, that is the real question, and we're showing you this car specifically because we were looking at it yesterday, and yesterday you could still see the headlights, so you can see just how much the water has risen in the last 12 hours or so. And the problem here is that the river is not expected to crest until 10 p.m. tonight, and the flooding is expected to continue until 10 a.m. Friday morning. Now, we're just going to give you an idea using Street Spotter 7 here. We've mapped out to the area. This is basically the entirety of Little Falls that is now underwater. It is an area that keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and what you'll notice is that you're really seeing houses that basically run into the river that is off to that right side there. We do have tape that we can show you from just a few minutes ago, and this is a scene that we have seen over and over again of people getting rescued from their homes, and that is exactly what crews were doing yet again today. They were doing it last night and they were doing it today, getting people with boats. You know that the flooding is bad when a boat comes up to your house. You get a life vest put on you. You get to take a bag of your personal effects with you, and then the rescuers literally have to put you on their shoulder and take you from the water to the waiting area that is dry. And down in that dry area, you see the arrow pointing right there. That is our own Anthony Johnson, who is right on the cusp of these floodwaters that keep going further and further into Little Falls. But Anthony has more for us from the ground.
Yeah, Shannon, we are standing right here where the water keeps creeping up. It has been here on this holding pattern for the last few hours. It has not started to recede out here on William Street, but this is where people have been dropped off. Apparently, there's still people in their homes, still needing to be rescued at times. As a matter of fact, about 20 minutes ago, we watched one of those rescue operations. They used that small pontoon boat that you see right down there that is now tied to one of the utility poles. They floated it down the street. They picked up a young girl. Apparently, she's in high school and she needed to get to school for a test. She started walking in the water and then called them, so they went on down there and they started a rescue. I just want to show you William Street. If you look down the street, you might see the utility poles on the left side. There's 3 of them on that side, and then there's a 4th one on the right side. When you see that 4th one, the water there is about 4 feet deep. So we've seen that high water rescue truck going through these waters, and once it gets down to that level, it goes all the way down to the headlights. So they've been using that truck to pull people out all morning long as the rescues out here continue. This morning's rescue of our little furry friends, just one of the many pets and people still being pulled out of the high water.
We're flooded, everything's fine. It's just I didn't want to leave my dog, so I stayed until, I just wanted to take my dog with me, that's all.
This truck can go through waters up to 4 feet high and has been sweeping through the neighborhood to help anyone who remained in their homes overnight. That was okay until their heating system was damaged by the floodwater.
It was bad. The water just kept coming from everywhere. Our basement got flooded all the way to the top. Yeah, but we're happy we're okay.
Pumps are being used to reduce the water level, but the Passaic River could take days to recede. The Red Cross had a half-dozen residents at their local shelter. This is a community that will need a lot of help and support to recover.
We believe the Passaic River has crested and will remain at or near crest level for the next 6 hours. At 10 p.m. tonight, we should see floodwaters begin to recede slowly. However, current forecast models indicate major flood stage until 10 a.m. on Friday.
Yeah, that's a lot more time left. Another couple of days before we start to see really any progress as far as the water going back toward its banks. And you can look down at the water. You can see that ripple effect that's in the water. It feels like it's still pushing. There's a little bit of a breeze out here. And once again, Janice was talking about it. We've talked about it earlier. It is cold out here. It's a nice afternoon, but later on tonight, a lot of this water that you see out here might start to freeze. There there are a few homes in this neighborhood that have been elevated, so the people in those homes may be able to stay as long as the water doesn't get inside and affect their boilers. But anybody that's on flat land and then the water gets into the cellar, they probably have a problem and they need to get out if they're still in there. Luckily, most of them have. And the mayor of this town wants to go ahead and have the governor declare a state of emergency.